The 2025 CHERY EXEED STERRA ET is a premium electric SUV that showcases Chery's ambition to compete with established luxury brands.
Design asterisk.
Asterisk sleek and modern asterisk. The STERRA ET boasts a sleek and modern design with sharp lines, a distinctive front grille, and LED lighting. Asterisk spacious interior. Asterisk the interior is spacious and well-appointed, with high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and a driver-focused cockpit. Asterisk tech-forward cabin. Asterisk the infotainment system is user-friendly and features a large touchscreen display, smartphone integration, and advanced navigation. Performance. Asterisk powerful electric motors. Asterisk the STERRA ET is powered by powerful electric motors that deliver impressive acceleration and smooth performance. Asterisk long range. Asterisk the vehicle offers a long range on a single charge, making it suitable for daily commuting and long road trips. Asterisk advanced driving modes. Asterisk the STERRA ET offers various driving modes to suit different driving conditions and preferences. Technology. Asterisk advanced driver assistance systems. Asterisk the STERRA ET is equipped with a range of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Asterisk connected car features. Asterisk the infotainment system offers seamless smartphone integration and over-the-air updates. Overall. Asterisk the 2025 CHERY EXEED STERRA ET is a compelling electric SUV that offers a blend of luxury, performance, and technology. It's a great choice for those looking for a stylish and eco-friendly vehicle. Key features. Asterisk sleek and modern design. Asterisk powerful electric motors. Asterisk long range and fast charging. Asterisk advanced technology and safety features. Asterisk comfortable and spacious interior. The 2025 CHERY EXEED STERRA ET is a significant step forward for the Chinese automaker, showcasing its ability to compete with established luxury brands.